How to contact EA Live Chat. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your web browser. Now search for EA. Open up the first website. Now tap on the three lines or tap on the question mark to open up help. Now tap on EA help. Now at the bottom right corner, you will find the EA help chat. Tap on it. Now click on I agree. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.